Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to unfollow someone on TikTok. Firstly, you need to open your TikTok app, then you will get to enter on your home page. On the bottom right corner, tap on profile icon. When you enter on your profile page, just below your profile page, you can see followers. Tap on it. Here you can see 2 person has followed me. Tap on the person's profile whom you want to unfollow. And just beside message icon you can see profile icon. Tap on it and a pop-up will be shown where you will be asked to unfollow this person. Tap on unfollow, and this is how we unfollow someone on TikTok. If you want to follow back, then tap on follow back. Also, if you are following a random person, then go ahead to following, then tap on person profile. Just beside message, tap on profile icon, and we have unfollowed that person. So if you want to follow back, then tap on follow button. And this is how we unfollow someone on TikTok. Thank you for watching.